Okay. Apologies if the camera's too shaky. Let's do a cold start on this 1993 Chrysler Town and Country minivan. It hasn't been started in about a week, I think, or 2 weeks. Okay, let's see how this goes. Okay, there's the key. Pentagram on it. Start it up. Ooh, that's rough. That's just how cold it is. I think it's got a little bit of an exhaust leak. Sure does sound like it. Oh yeah, it's running rich. Definitely running rich here, a little too rich. Give it a little rev. Yeah, that definitely has an exhaust leak. I don't want to do it too much here. It's definitely struggling. Oh god, that smells. Okay, I'm gonna have to shut this off. This is terrible. Anyway. Wow, okay, that is really strong. Wow. Holy shit. Okay. That's been the 93. It's been the 93 Chrysler Town Country. How much mileage did we have? 960. There we have it. Currently at 69,000 miles and 387. Pretty low miles. Alrighty. That is it. Alright. Thanks for watching.